This is Singleton's Seafood Shack.
When you see the boats out back, you know that you're getting real fresh seafood.
Fried shrimp.
Always good, always fresh, right off the boat.
As soon as you walk in, there's this whole display of fresh fish.
Whatever's fresh, we got it.
And it's all good.
Because owner Dean Singleton
Y'all did good today?
is making sure.
I appreciate it, Randy.
Okay, so what do we got here?
Fresh flounder,
Okay, here.
grouper,
There's gonna be a test after this.
my,
My,
triggerfish,
triggerfish. And Dean's not the first generation of Singleton to bring in the catch straight from the boat.
Got 45 pounds there, bub.
His dad, Ray, was a commercial shrimper who started this place back in the 60s.
Jill, crab legs.
And this family tradition goes back even further.
Couple Menorcan chowders, please.
Menorcan? Menorcan?
Menorcan chowder.
Menorcan.
There's a little island off Spain called Menorca. That's where my heritage is from.
Red chowder.
Well, you can't get it everywhere. It's got a unique taste. It's loaded with clams.
And where are these from?
From Cedar Key, right around Tallahassee, right around that.
Okay. They're frozen.
Frozen. We get them in fresh, we put them in the freezer. The reason why is, for one, it's easier to shuck. Two, it saves all the salt water and all the juices stay inside of it.
Okay, okay.
Take it, take the knife. Get the clam out. All the salt water stays right with it.
Jamma, that's a big clam.
Yes, sir. Call them chowder clams.
So we're gonna take all of these out, and then we're making Menorcan chowder after we run it through the buffalo chopper.
Exactly.
They're still a little partially frozen, so they won't gum up. They'll just cut into nice pieces.
Yep.
All right, boss.
First, we're gonna add crushed chopped clams. Yes, sir.
I'm out of here.
Crushed tomatoes.
Told you it was gonna splatter. So we're making Manhattan clam chowder.
Basically, a little bit different.
Let me guess, granulated garlic.
Got it.
Granulated garlic, capital of the world.
A little lemon juice, a little Worcestershire, clam base.
Wow.
Water.
Now, how long will this last?
About a day, maybe two.
Really?
Yeah, and then we put bacon in.
Pre-cooked bacon with a little bit of its fat.
Yep, leave the
Okay.
juice, and we stir
Let the clams cook. Let it all kind of come together.
for 90 minutes. Then we add onions, celery, bell pepper.
Celery and bell pepper?
Yes.
I'm over here in the splash-free zone.
We add potatoes. Call for the splash, son.
There you go.
We'll stir it in
And let that go until it heats back up.
until it gets to a boil.
What about salt and pepper and all that kind of stuff?
No need.
Not necessary.
Nope, clams added.
This will be interesting.
There you go.
Looks like Manhattan chowder. Oh, it's great. Reminds me a little bit more of the seafood cioppino than it does Manhattan chowder. A little spice, a little acid there from the lemon juice, clam flavor, got good bacon flavor. Really good, man. No wonder you go through so much. I could very easily put a bowl of this down today. Seriously, I'm gonna polish this thing.
And Menorcan clam chowder.
The texture is great. The clams are good, and it's loaded with other goodies.
It's got a lot of flavor in it.
Big flavor, but it's light.
Yeah, I love the fact that they're actually chunks of clams. You can see the seafood in it. It's so good.
You can always count on it being just what you want. It's just good food.
And clams for everyone.
A nice place to come and relax after work. It's just amazing.
Singleton's is really special to us.
Hush puppies.
I just love it here. I really do.
What would your pops think of all this going on?
He'd love it. I wish he was here to see, how good we're doing.
He's got to be smiling down on this.